Good morning. I am Ablesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering Technology. Our subject is Manufacturing Technology 2. Our subject code is ME8451. From this subject, we are going to see about Unit 5, the CNC machine tools and part programming. From this unit, we are going to see about these topics as numerical control machine tools, computer numerical control, and machine elements and its types. First of all, we are seeing introduction about a computer numerical control (CNC). It is a production of machine parts whose production is controlled by computer. The whole entire the production will be controlled by a computer. The computer controller will be giving an axis on three axes. X, Y, Z. The computer uses a control to drive each axis of the machine towards three. X axis, Y axis, and Z axis. And this control direction, speed, and length of the time motor rotates. In this CNC, the control direction will be controlled and speed will be controlled. The length of the time motor rotates will be controlled. And the next point is the programmed path is loaded into computer and then executed. We will be designing a program with a G code and M code for the operation. It will be loaded into a computer or CNC, the computer numerical controller. Then it will be executed as a product. The program consists of numeric data point X, Y, Z along with the machine controller and function commands. The program will be if we need the tool will be moved to the X minus, then it will be given a X minus. If it will be included with the axis level plus or minus, it will be included in a program to movement of the tool. And the numerical controller and the computer numerical control are mean the same. The if your computer is not involved, it will be called as numerical control. If the computer is involved, it is called as computer numerical controller. The major manufacturing development in past 60 years. NC is a major manufacturing development in past 60 years. It resulted in a new manufacturing techniques and the higher production levels and higher quality and to stabilize the manufacturing cost. The CNC is used for a new manufacturing techniques. It will be easy product. It is a easy method to achieve a good product level and production level in a higher quality and stabilization of manufacturing cost. The evolution of CNC is a single item product by a craft people and the interchangeable parts. It is a manual labor was still because of cost effective method. The manual labor is still used in a cost effective method, and the manufacturers could not measure quantity and quality parts. Before CNC, we are could not maintain a quantity and quality parts when we are using labor, manual labor. The evolution of CNC. A machinist could produce a superior quality but not at a high volume that is required. As quantity increased, the quality decreased due to human factor. In this slide, we can see a quantity. The quantity is increased, but the quality is decreased because of human factor. If a man is involved in the operation, he can produce a quantity, but the quality will be decreased. So we are going for a CNC. The evolution of CNC. And this it is a first digital computer, and it is a vacuum tube technology and used to calculate the artillery tables. In before time, it is a used to calculate the artillery tables. The programming involved setting hundreds of switches and cables. The CNCs need to manufacture a large amount of products for a war. In a world war, we need a many components. So we are going for CNC to produce a large amount of products. To need for quantity and quality, we need a quantity as well as a quality. So we are going for a CNC. And the repeatable, the product, the ability to perform the same operation over and over within a specific parameter. So we are going for a CNC. The CNC, we will be designing a program for once only. It will be used for many products and many. It's a long-term process. Specific goals. The goal of CNC is to increase the production, to improve the quality and accuracy of the machine parts, and to stabilize the manufacturing cost. To stabilize the manufacturing cost, we will be going for a CNC. To speed up the production and assembly operations, we are going for a CNC. In 1947, the first contract award for CNC machine, but in 1951, the servo system for machines developed. 1952, the tap feed machine was created. It is a timeline of NC methods. The history of NC is a development of G code. It is a punch tab input method, and in 1970 the computer chips was developed. It is like a small computers and cheaper processing power. We developed the in 1970 we developed the computer chips for a NC method. CNC. After NC, we are going for CNC. It is a further development in a computer allowed to be used to control machine instead of a paper tape methods. NC, a method of accurately controlling the operation of machine tools by a series of coded instructions consist of numbers, letters, and the alphabet and symbol that machine control unit can understand. Is in NC method, we'll be using a consist of number, how many numbers, letters, and alphabet symbols, and the machine control unit, which can be understand by the NC. The one in machine control unit, the D codes, NC codes to drive the monitor servo motor movement. The CNC, computer numerical control. Computer provides a machine codes in a machine control unit. The control system, it is an open loop system and a closed loop system. In an open loop system, the servo motor driven by pulse without feedback encoder. It will not have any feedback encoder. It will be a it will be in an open system, but we have a feedback encoder. It is a closed system. The servo motor is driven by a electrical pulse, and encoder provides a feedback to verify the machine movements. It is a closed system, but in a closed system, the machine movements will be verified by the feedback encoders. Mr. Efficiency. In 1947, in a US American Air Force, also MIT developed a numerical control NC machines. In 52, the prototype NC machines demonstrate and punched up input by a symbols, tabs, and the alphabet something. In 1980, the CNC machines were developed. In 1990, the external computer drift feeds control programmer to the machine controller. Advantages at the NC and CNC. The program could be stored in a computer memory. Easier to edit. We can edit the program easily. It will be stored in a computer memory. More complex part could be manufactured. Use of 3D geometry, we can develop a many designs, many design shapes of the products, and you can find the network file sharing another computer process. We can save the program, or we can share the files to their computers through a chip models, etc. The CNC is advantage of CNC. The increase of productivity, reliability, we can achieve a good reliability, reduce the location of part features, make possible the machine of the complex shapes required in these simulations in a three axis, X, Y, Z, and Z axis motions. Advantage. The programs can be readily to be altered or rerun. The programs can be read and alter and rerun. The single part and production runs can be programmed and machined with minimum effort and cost. The reduction of inspection cost on CNC will be it will be more reliable, so we can reduce the inspection cost. Disadvantage of CNC. Initial cost of CNC machine tool. If the cost initial cost is more, servicing of the equipment is very the cost in cost wise it is very more, and the large machines require more space. Large number of CNC needs a many space, many area, and the personnel must be trained in a program and operation of this equipment. The labor should be trained to try the program and they do the operations in this equipment. The elements of CNC system are part program input device, machine control unit, drive system, and the machine tool feedback system. In the part program, in the program we need a we need to write the program by a G code and M codes by using G codes and M codes and the axis, etc. To the program input device, we need a chip format and the machine control unit for the controlling to read the program and do the process. Machine control to read the program and to do the operation. And the drive system is a pneumatic or hydraulic or power something, etc. It's a drive system. And the machine tool, what are the tools are doing, a reamer or boring or tap, etc. Then the third one is feedback system. CNC terminology. BLU, the basic length unit. It is a smallest programmable move of each axis. BLU, it is a smallest programmable move of each axis. The controller, it is a machine control unit. The electronic and computerized interface between operator and machine. It is a controller. The electronic and computerized interface between operator and machine. The controller components. The first one is data processing unit, and second is control loop unit. Data processing unit. First one is the input device. We will be considering that a input device, and the second one is a data reading circuit and parting check circuit, and third one is decoder to distribute data to the axis controllers, and the third one is second one is control loop unit. In this unit we will be consider first one interpolator to supply machine. What are the commands we are giving? What are the commands between the data points to done by the control loop unit. Second is the position control loop hardware for each axis of motion. What are the positions? Are the x-axis or y-axis or z-axis? What are the positions we have to move? It will be controlled by a control loop unit. These are sample CNC machines. First of all, turning process, this type of machines will be used. And the milling process, the CNC, this type of machines will be used for a milling purpose. It is having a milling cutter on its tool holder. It is a table. Table. It will be using for a milling purpose. Laser cutting process, plasma cutting process, press type or injection molding or press something as a hydraulic press or it is a CNC press. It will be done by a programming, radio prototyping, and the industry most benefit by CNCs are most of the industries are used, but in the automotive it is a very big benefited by the CNC. First one is the aerospace, machinery and electrical fabrication, automotive and the instrumentation and mold making industries are mostly benefited by a CNC machines. It gives a smooth and accuracy and many with the products with quantity and quality. Sample products of CNC manufacture. First was the engine block in automotive system. We're getting an engine block by through a CNC machine. Then the bolt, nut, injectors, and the some nozzles are produced by the CNCs. In aerospace engineering, the 5-axis CNC machines are used. X, Y, Z, B, and A axis. They are the 5-axis machines. Aircraft turbine machined by 5-axis CNC milling machines. It is a CNC mold making for a car pump something. It will be a CNC mold making. And the electronic industry, in the electronic industry, some control panels, switches are done by a CNC machines also. Rapid proto typing products. These are the rapid typing protos done by the CNC machine. Types of CNC machine. These CNC machines are typed by 4 type. It is based on motion type, point to point or continuous motion. It is a motion, is a point to point motion or continuous path motion type. Second is a control, open or closed loop system. And the based on the power supply, electrical supply or hydraulic or pneumatic, which is a motion power, it is order which power you are using. Then it depends upon that the CNC machines will vary. And based on the positioning system, incremental or absolute, depends on the position. It will be uh, derived from the program. Depends upon the axis of movement of the tool. Will be doing for the position of basic of position system. Terminology NC, it is means it is operated by a numerical control. CNC, computer numerical control, and the DNC, direct numerical control, and APT, automatic programmed tool, and the CAD, computer aided design. You know that computer aided manufacturing, CAM, and the computer integrated manufacturing. These are the terminology of the unit. Thank you.